Your airline just lost your bag. You're standing at the carousel watching everyone else leave. And the airline's response? Fill out this form and we'll look into it. What they're not telling you is that international law that has existed for decades, says they owe you up to €1,300. No exceptions, no excuses. My name doesn't matter. What matters is that after this video, you will never let an airline get away with losing your luggage again. The Montreal Convention is an international treaty signed by over 130 countries, including every EU member state. It governs exactly what happens when an airline loses, delays, or damages your baggage. Unlike EC Regulation 261, which covers flight cancellations, the Montreal Convention specifically covers your bags, and it sets a hard limit on airline liability. Currently, around €1,288 per passenger. That is the maximum they owe you. But most airlines will never volunteer that number. There are 3 situations the Montreal Convention covers. First, lost baggage. If your bag is officially declared lost, usually after 21 days, the airline owes you compensation for the value of your bag and its contents, up to the €1,288 limit. Second, delayed baggage. This is the most common one. If your bag arrives late, you are entitled to claim reimbursement for essential items you had to buy in the meantime. Toiletries, clothes, medication. Keep every receipt. Third, damaged baggage. If your bag arrives broken or contents are missing, the airline is liable. You must report it before leaving the airport. Within 7 days for damage, within 21 days for delayed bags. Step 1. Report it immediately. Go to the airline's baggage desk before you leave the airport. Get a property irregularity report, a PIR. This is your proof. Without it, your claim is significantly weakened. Step 2. Document everything. Photograph your bag, its contents, and any damage. Keep all receipts for replacement items. Step 3. Submit a written claim to the airline directly. Email is fine. Reference the Montreal Convention explicitly. Airlines respond very differently when they know you know the law. Step 4. If the airline ignores you or lowballs you, escalate to your National Aviation Authority or an alternative dispute resolution body. In the EU, these are free to use. Airlines count on 3 things. 1. That you won't file a PIR at the airport. 2. That you'll accept their standard offer, which is often a fraction of what you're owed. 3. That you won't follow up. Here is what they also won't tell you. Travel insurance does not replace your Montreal Convention rights. You can claim from both: insurance for items not covered by the Convention and the Convention for the rest. Also, valuable items like laptops, cameras, and jewelry have separate rules. Never put them in checked luggage. The Montreal Convention explicitly limits liability for valuables unless you declared them before the flight. Every time you check a bag, you are entering a legal contract with the airline. The Montreal Convention is your side of that contract. Learn it, use it. If your bag is lost right now, pause this video, go to that baggage desk and get your PIR. Come back when you have it. And if the airline has already dismissed your claim, don't accept it. Write to them again, cite the Montreal Convention, and if needed, escalate. The law is on your side. If this helped you, subscribe. Every week, we cover another EU right that protects you. Rights that exist, that work, and that most people never use.